Hello, afternoon, it's Chris from Stockton Land Rover. Hope you're well. This car's just come in, wanted to spend a couple of minutes just showing you around the car. Really nice car, really nice example. So we're a HSE Range Rover Sport with a P400e, so the hybrid engine. We're finished in the Fuji White and we've got the LED headlights with adaptive high beam assist. On here we mentioned the hybrid, that is where you will charge the vehicle. You'll get about 30 to 32 miles of range out of a full charge. If we come around to the side of the car, we've got the nice diamond turn wheels and we've got the gloss black finishes along the bottom of the car, and also all the little indents in the door handles do denote keyless entry on the car as well, and privacy glass on the car. It's a fully approved car, so what that means is it's going to come with at least 1 year warranty. Now at the minute we still have the 2-year warranty if you are financing the car, and that will include all your breakdown assistance and home start as well. So rear of the car, we've got the LED rear lights as well, rear camera, and then if we just go into the boot, got your charge cables on the right, and then this is literally, if we lift this up, there's a bit of extra. That's where you can put a cable if you wanted to for your Type 2 charging. Power boot lid obviously standard on the car. With it being an approved car, that means that it has met the relevant checks from Land Rover, so you should find there'll be no scuffs or scratches, we'd have no damage on the wheels, just generally a good conditioned vehicle. So if we just go to the rear of the car, we've got the ebony and ivory interior, but with the ebony seats and ebony floor wells. Car's also benefiting from having heated rear seats and 2 5-volt power points as well for charging. If I just come into the passenger front, again we've got the ebony and ebony seats and carpets, but with a nice little finish on here for the centre dash, and also the headlining is finished in the light section as well, and you'll see we've got a sliding panoramic roof on there. Both driver and passenger seats are electric with memory, and if I just jump into the driver's seat, the exact mileage on the car is 45,939. If I just start it, we've got the Duo Pro screens here, so this top section is going to look after the sat nav, your DAB radio and your phone, and then down on the centre section here we've got your heated seats, we've got your terrain response for your 4-wheel drive system, and some brief settings when it comes to your climate and that display itself. Heated seats just on here by a push and a twist. You've got your air suspension here and something called, as I say, auto terrain response, so it will adapt the 4-wheel drive automatically to the driving situation or the terrain. Up onto the dashboard we've got the full interactive driver display, so you can tailor that to either things like the radio or the maps or your telephone. It can all just show on there if you so wish. And then we've got heated steering wheel, and we've got cruise control with speed limiter, and obviously your auto lights and auto windscreen wipers as well. So really brief, I know, but gives you a bit of a feel for the car. It is a really nice car. Would definitely suggest coming to have a drive. However, you can just reserve the car for £99, and that is subject to looking at your part exchange, going through all the finance bits and pieces for you. If you would like to do that, please give me a call. My name's Chris and it's 01642 644 444.